This creature is born knowing everything it needs to survive. No parents, no teaching, no learning period. The moment a baby stingray enters the world, it is already a complete, fully functional predator. Its venom spine is already formed. Its electrosensory system is already active. Its camouflage instinct is already operational, and it was never taught any of it. The stingray, one of the most ancient fish designs on Earth. Its body plan has remained unchanged for 150 million years. And the reason nothing needed to change is because God designed it perfectly the first time. Start with the body. The stingray is not a flat fish that swims sideways. It is a fish that swims on its belly with its entire body as a wing. The pectoral fins, fused into a disc shape, create a biological hydrofoil that generates lift in water the same way an aircraft wing generates lift in air. Engineers call this the most efficient swimming design in nature. Then the senses. The stingray has no need to see its prey. It detects the electrical fields produced by the heartbeats of creatures buried under sand from 1 meter away. The same electroreception system as the platypus, but evolved completely independently. Then, the camouflage. It buries itself under sand, leaving zero visible profile. Every predator and every prey swimming above it sees only ocean floor. Then, the venom. A serrated spine on the tail delivers venom through a sheath that tears as it withdraws, making the exit wound larger than the entry. But this creature was not born to hunt. It was born complete. The question is, who completed it before it ever opened its eyes? Follow the hidden science for more secrets nature never wanted you to know.